How much are Sleep Number smart beds? If you're considering upgrading to a smart bed, but are curious about the cost, you're in the right place. Let's break down the prices of Sleep Number smart beds to help you make an informed decision. Sleep Number offers a range of smart beds, each with its own set of features and price points. One of the most affordable options is the Sleep Number C1 smart bed. This bed starts at $599 for a twin size and goes up to $999 for a queen size. It's designed for budget-conscious consumers who want advanced sleep features without breaking the bank. The C1 includes adjustable firmness, responsive support, and sleep tracking, all managed through the Sleep Number app or a remote control. For those looking for more advanced features, the Sleep Number C2 smart bed is another option. Prices for the C2 start at $899 for a twin and go up to $1,799 for a king size. This bed also offers adjustable firmness on each side, a breathable comfort layer with ceramic gel, and it contours to your body to relieve pressure points. Additionally, it includes the Sleep IQ score to track your sleep quality. If you're willing to invest in the top-of-the-line models, the Sleep Number 360 series is worth considering. These beds come with even more sophisticated features, such as real-time insights into your sleep, including heart rate, sleep duration, and daytime alertness. The prices for these models are significantly higher, but they offer advanced comfort and health insights. For example, the Climate 360 smart bed, which actively cools and warms, is priced at $8,499, although it can sometimes be found on sale for $1,500 less. It's also important to note that some sizes, like the split and flex top king sizes, must be purchased with an adjustable base, which can add to the overall cost. For instance, an adjustable base can start at $2,199. In addition to the bed itself, there are other costs to consider, such as delivery and setup. Sleep Number offers free installation, but in-room delivery costs $249 unless you purchase an adjustable base, in which case the delivery is often free. There's also an optional mattress removal fee of $50, though this is waived in certain states. Overall, Sleep Number smart beds offer a range of options to fit different budgets and preferences, from the more affordable C1 to the luxurious Climate 360. By understanding the various price points and features, you can choose the smart bed that best suits your needs and budget.